What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Big Jim from Dogman. Let's begin today's lesson. Along the top of our page, draw two ovals for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left at the very top, come all the way down towards the bottom, and back up towards the top. Let's leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw that same size oval on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's pull the pupils towards the inside. So on the left, we're going to draw a small oval, going all the way around. Do the same thing on the right. And then along the top, draw a smaller circle for highlight. And then we'll fill the bottom of the pupils in black. Now I'm going to trace the eyes along the outside of the frame. Starting in the middle, we're going to join it in the center, going all the way around, up in the middle, and then trace the eye on the right. Let's fill that trim in black. Let's go in between the eyes and draw a small circle for the nose. And then we'll move down and draw a curve for the mouth, coming down and then up. And then from the nose, draw a straight line coming down the middle. Let's go to the side of the eye and draw in those straps. We're going to start with a straight angled line going up and out on either side. Flatten off the ends. And then bring that back in towards the eyes. And we'll fill the inside of those straps in black. Now from the top of the strap, we're going to step in and draw in the head. We're going to go up in the middle, go across, and then bring that down. And then we'll add the ears on the top with a point on either side, going up and then down. Let's move down and draw on the chin. We're going to start underneath the strap on the left, go around, curve the head going out, and then up on the right side. Now we want to add that double chin, curve this down the middle, and then back up. Let's add 3 spots on either side. And then we'll extend the whiskers going out with 3 lines from the cheeks. Now with the head complete, let's move all the way out towards the side. We're going to draw on the arms. We're going to start out here with a straight angle line coming down and out. Let's line this up on the right, coming down and then out. Let's go back up to top, angle this down and then in across the top of the forearms. And then from the bottom, we're just going to taper this so it gets narrower as we come in towards the wrist. Let's add the fingers on the end. Starting up here, we're going to draw a curl going around. Let's add 2 in the middle, and then 1 across the bottom. Let's tuck the body in behind the head and the arms. We're going to start on the left side, bend the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist on both sides. Now we're going to tuck the arms in behind the body and the forearm. So from this point, step down, angle this up and in toward the top of the body, step down and draw that again. Let's continue this curve underneath the hand, going around. I'm just going to pull that in to right about there. Let's do the same thing on the right, going around the belly and then bending that in. Let's leave a gap and draw another curve from left to right, coming down and then up. Now I want to tuck the bottom of the shorts underneath. So from this line, step out, and it was down and out on both sides. Curve the bottom of the shorts coming in, and then pull this straight up underneath the body. Let's go back and add the edge of the pants. Starting on the left side underneath the hand, we're going to go up, go across, and then bend that down, step down, and then draw that again. Let's add some texture inside that waistband. Starting back on the left, we're going to draw these vertical lines with even spacing going all the way across towards the right. Now there's a muffin symbol in the center of the body. Let's start underneath the chin. We're going to draw an oval, going around, and then up, on the sides, angle this down across the side of the cup, flatten off the bottom, and then we'll add 3 lines inside. Let's add some spots across the top. Now I want to leave a gap underneath the shorts and draw the top edge of the boot. So we're going to start with a straight line going across the middle. From the inside, bend the leg going out and then down towards the heels. Let's flatten off the bottom of the feet going all the way towards the outside. Then go back to the left side and curve the foot going up, bend this down, angle this up and then out. Now we're going to connect the boots to the body with 2 angled lines with the legs on either side. Let's add the tail over on the left. Start with the top edge. We're going to come down, up, and then back down. Round up the end of the tail. That's going to follow that same curve coming back in towards the body. Let's add some texture inside the tail with these curves starting from the end and working our way towards the inside. Now I'm going to push the cape towards the background. We're going to start on top of the shoulder, going out. Just going to wave this in, out, and then up. Let's go over towards the right shoulder and do the same thing. Going out, in, and then up towards the top. Now I want to connect the ends with a series of curves. So we're going to add these little points across the top, going in behind the head. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Big Jim from Dogman. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you again soon.